EdibleWildFood.com here in Juneau, Alaska at Glacier Gardens. And today's video is going to be very short, and it's about Creeping Charlie, or ground ivy, Glaucoma heteracea. Whatever you choose to call this plant that is very healthy for us, a lot of people call it a nuisance because it gets into our gardens and can take over very easily. But in Glacier Gardens in Juneau, Alaska, look how they've been using Creeping Charlie to their advantage. Look at these beautiful walls. So this isn't really a video about how to use Creeping Charlie, which by the way makes a great cup of tea, but to inspire you hopefully to get it to grow a different way. Check this out. There's no shortage of it. There we go. So here we have a very powerful medicinal plant. A lot of people curse Creeping Charlie, but after seeing this video, I hope you find it very inspirational and use this plant to your advantage to create some beautiful gardens. So thank you for watching from Juneau, Alaska. And if you like this video, please share. And there we go. Look at that. I love you all. Thank you for watching.